How's it going out there? Today we got a 2021 RAV4. We'll put an air filter in it. It's always good to do this stuff yourself. Save you some money. Let's get going. I will post this of doing it unedited so you know exactly how much time it did take me. Here I got the Wix filter brand. I like using Wix. Seem to be good. Just checking out the air filter, make sure there's no defects before we get started. Looking good. One thing I like to note is put the date somewhere on the filter. I put it right there where the arrows are, so if somebody opens it up, they can see when the last time it was replaced. That's a tip for you fellas. This is the first time that this filter is being replaced, so I actually don't know where it is on this. We're going to take a look, see if I can just find it without looking it up. They put them in really two different spots. We'll see what we can find. Alright, most vehicles, they either put them behind this, which looks like it can come off, but don't look like that's where it's at. More than likely, it's going to be behind the glove box. Most vehicles, it is behind there. Let's take a look. Get all this crap out. It's the wife's car. She keeps a lot of papers, I guess. One clip. Another clip. Wow. Got this popped off. Alright, I gotta let that drop down. Let's look under here. Looks like it's behind here. Can't read what it says because I'm getting old and blind. You know how that goes. Got some tabs on it. Okay, which end comes out first? Alright, it just pulled off there. It's like these little tabs. They just pull off. It slides out. Pull this dirty thing out. That's why you gotta change these things. And look, make sure you check the arrow as you pull out. It says up. So that's how it goes. Let's get it popped out of this case. Ooh-wee, that thing's dirty. It's hard to do this, hold the camera in to pull it out. Alright, got it out of there. Now, make sure we have that up. Check my arrows and make sure they are up. Let's get her stuck back in there. So here we go. Slide this in. There you go. It's all in. And check it out. This has been with no tools for this Toyota. Pretty impressive. Get her slid back in. Make sure it slides all the way in. Line back up. It's got a little arrow in there that says up. Make sure we put that back right. Well, it looks like you're gonna put the driver's side in first. It's got little tabs. Right there, they gotta go in first. There it goes, snapped in. Now reverse the procedure, putting this glove box back in. Slide the little clip on here. I can get it one-handed. There you go. She's back in. There you go. It is easy to do yourself on a Toyota RAV4. Give it a shot. Thanks for watching.